if they were incarcerated at this moment, they likely went through a system where maybe they were arrested because of the color of their skin and they were in the wrong place at the wrong time because of their zip code. Perhaps they had a traffic violation that no one else would get stopped for, but they did because they were driving in a low-income community. Maybe they had a small possession of marijuana that in a neighborhood of affluency wouldn't matter. So we already know that the ratio is dipped in one direction, right? The low-income folks are impacted in a really predominant way compared to folks who have more access. And when you have more access, guess what? You also have access to a better attorney. When you have more access, you can navigate the court system better. So your restitution is going to be less. Your fees are going to be less. And if they're not less, you have the opportunity to pay for it. And when we heard from our criminal justice attorneys here in this space, which I'm so grateful to have their expertise, they see this day in and day out. They understand the role that intersectionality plays in this work and that critical race theory plays when it comes to the issues that impact our courts and criminal justice. So when we look at this bill, I can't help but feel that we're throwing people back into this broken system that each one of us are going to be voting to change soon. And I think that's where the frustration comes from. And so I encourage everyone to vote no on this bill, and let's continue the conversation on truly restoring folks' rights and creating a world where no one will be in a situation where we find ourselves today with what Chair O'Donnell spoke to, a broken system, to his point around the clemency process, because if we didn't have that system in Florida, we would not even have to be here right now. But here we are today with so many lives on the line that we have an opportunity to change and impact in a positive way.